white clothes. You can tell because of her white skirt, and you can tell because of her black and blue top. Very beautiful hat that she's wearing. You can tell because the top is cut short and the designs and the patterns on the end of his clothing along with his pants. Up next we have Yi. She's wearing a Hmong dal or Hmong white clothing. You can tell because of her white skirt. She informed me that her mom handmade and sold this. So this is made with a mother's love for Yi. Very colorful outfit. Next we have Jackie. He's wearing a Hmong dal or Hmong white outfit. You can tell because of his the patterns of the design of his top. His top has coins that are attached to beads, and he's wearing a Hmong sao. Also, his pants is decorated with blue flowers. We have Amy. She's wearing a Hmong dal or Hmong white outfit. You can tell again because of the white skirt that she's wearing, and her top is very beautiful, very original. This is a very modern and updated outfit. Very beautiful dress. Up next we have Mai. This is a Hmong dal Hmong sang outfit. This is you can tell because the shirt is cut short, and you can tell because the pants is very black and long. Next we have Susannah. She's wearing a Hmong green or Hmong draw outfit. You can tell because of the color and the patterns of her skirt. Very unique. You can tell because of her top too. Very colorful and unique dress. Up next is Chance. This is a Hmong Dug outfit. Actually, it's a Hmong green outfit. My fault. My apologies. You can tell because of the shirt. The top has been cut short, and it's decorated with coins that are attached to beads on the shirt and the pants. I love the patterns on the design on the clothes. This is a very modern, very updated outfit. Up next is Mel. She's wearing a Hmong dove or a Hmong white outfit. You can tell again because of her white skirt. This is a very original. And her hat is designed with a black and white pattern with red color. Up next, we have AJ. This is a Hmong Dug or Hmong white outfit. The top is decorated with coins with beads, and you can tell the pants is decorated with blue flowers on it. Up next, we have Sophie. She's wearing a Hmong green, a Hmong draw outfit. You can tell because of her skirt, it has a very beautiful red, green, and black pattern. Along with her hat too, she's wearing a black and white pattern hat with. Very beautiful dress. Next, we have Calvin. He's also wearing a Hmong green or Hmong draw outfit. You could tell because of the patterns of his shirt and his pants. You can see that the pattern has been designed on the very bottom. You can see the coins attached with these on his shirt and his pants. Very colorful and beautiful patterns. Up next, we will have couples.
Tell them.
Let's form a big circle, everyone. Let's form a big circle. So the Hmong dance is going to be going in a circle. So let's try to form a circle. Let's try to make a bigger circle. Everyone had to expand out one, but expand out one. Let's form a big circle. At this time, could we have teachers come up to join in the Hmong dance? Can we have teachers come up and join?
They have a whole camera.
Can we have staffs join also? Can we have staffs come join the Hmong circle?
Parents, you can also join us. Join you out.
So everybody, come on, stand up. Everybody join the Hmong circle. Everybody stand up and join the Hmong circle. Remember to dance. Everybody will be going around in a circle. Remember to dance.
please. You have fun for the Hmong. Let's get the circle moving, everyone. Let's get the circle moving. Remember to move your arms around. This is what